Hello guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing this cheap $30 spot welder. The reason behind me buying this was my several failed attempt at making one myself. Before we start, if you hadn't already, then hit that subscribe button and like the video. It comes with two wires that you are supposed to connect and use to spot weld and a USB Type-C charger. After charging, you can see that it has a button on the back of it that you use to turn it off and on, and to change level. Holding the button turns it in and off, while pressing it changes the level. It has total 9 levels. I will be using it at level 5, but as you see later, it was too high, and I would recommend level 3 or 4. It is consoled in a nice metal body and can also be used as a power bank. In conclusion, I would say that I was pretty impressed by this small device and how much power it contains in such small device and cheap price. If you want to buy this, the link would be shared in the description. Hopefully you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.